Wondering while you have ever tried to log in into any web or application by using your Google or Facebook account and thinking how actually it works. So this is Nirbhay, and in this video we gonna discuss about how actually OAuth works. Firstly, we will see what happens when we are not using OAuth, so that it will give you clear picture why OAuth required and how actually it works. If I take an example, a user is there using online photo editor website and he wants to upload and edit his some photo, and that photos are being uploaded in his Google Photos account. Now user might want to remove some background from his photo, or he may wanted to improve his photo quality by using this online photo editor app, and there might be one or more than one images that user want to edit through this online photo editor. In this online photo editor, that website has feature where user can log in via Google. Now user tries to log in via Google by entering its credentials and shares his credential by entering into its that portal. Now this online photo editor will have its credential. Now what it is logging Google Photos by its credential. So are you going to log in this such kind of website where that website is storing your credentials? What if this website got hacked? Then your whole credential, whole your Google ID password will get leaked. To overcome this, OAuth comes picture. So let's go to our next part. What is OAuth? So it says OAuth stands for Open Authorization. It's a framework that allows website apps to request limited access users data without needing to share their password. In short, what does it mean? So basically it will allow any website or application communicate with each other on the behalf of user without sharing their password. So now we will see the actual working of OAuth. Now assume user 1 as a resource owner and online photo editor as a client and your Google Photo as a resource server. Additionally, we have an authorization server. So we will eventually see that what it. So we are taking our previous example only where we are not using OAuth. Now user 1 still wants to access this online photo editor and wants to edit its sum of photos that are being uploaded in its Google account. And this website also has sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook feature enabled. So initially this user will make an sign in request to the client by Google. So now step 2, the client will request authorization server of Google by asking, can you please give the list of accounts for user 1? So this authorization server of Google will list the accounts that are being logged into that system for this user 1. It will provide the list in step 3 to the client, and now this client in step 4 will provide the list again back to the user by stating, hey, you have this 3 or 4 accounts, which account do you want to choose? Now in step 5, suppose user chooses his user 1 Google account for this particular request. It will tell authorization server, please authorize and grant permission to user 1 for this particular request. Step 6, authorization server will provide access token to our client, that is online photo editor. Now our client has access token for this particular request. Now in step 7, the client will request data from resource server of Google Photo by providing the access token that he has received of Google Photo, will share the data with client, and in step 8, the resource server of Google Photo shares the data client. So now this client have access to Google Photos of these users without using user's password. Later on the user might edit or download the resources from this online photo editor. Now the conclusion of this whole video will be like, OAuth has authorized this client online photo editor to access specific data of this user 1 from its resource server on the user's behalf, where it has not shared any password with this client. So if you find this video helpful, do like this video, and for similar kind of video you can subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubts you can simply comment in the comment section. Till now, bye bye.